When the value of the dollar is low and inflation is high, there's the value of the dollar as it continues to fall against the euro. If you kind of look at that, obviously right now inflation is not really high, not a big problem, so you may be saying, why do you think that there's going to be a bubble that's going to burst? Well, the idea is, since we're coming out of a recession, the economy is going to start to recover, and if it would recover and inflation would be a problem, then there will be a sharp correction.
Yeah, but dollar is getting stronger, right? Against the euro.
Against the euro.
Yeah.
But it's still early.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so currently inflation isn't a problem. However, after the recession, the scare is inflation will start to rise. One way to prevent this precious metal bubble will be to control the inflation rate. So that's what obviously the president and everyone will work on right now. Effects of the bursting bubble again. The jewelry market, housing market, building materials, obviously, and there's electrical wiring, many other markets be affected if people lose their savings. In the gold market, they won't have as much money to spend on other things. So we can kind of look back to the past. In 1980, there was a sharp correction or burst in the gold market. The price of gold had been rising for years, and the price was cut in half. Obviously, again, I was talking about inflation and the U.S. dollar contributing to the downfall. So we can kind of look and predict what's going to happen in the future by looking at the past. So, back prediction for the future. Many precious metal values will continue to rise. The value of the U.S. dollar is decreasing. It's trying to make a comeback, but it's still weak as far as where it used to be. Inflation. Right now it's not a problem, but the scare is if it becomes a problem, then the price of the precious metals will keep increasing. With inflation adjustment, the value of gold per ounce would need to be over $2,000 in order to compare to 1980. So the final thought, if inflation